Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will learn what are the Amazon commissions while you are selling on Amazon, what type of commission Amazon is charging you, and what is the payment cycle. So after your product is sold, after how many days you will get your payment. So first we'll go with Amazon's commission. So Amazon charge you in three types of commission. First is a proper referral fees. So Amazon will charge you in percentage. Second one is a closing fees. Third one is a logistic fees. So let's dig in and learn what kind of commission Amazon charges you. So go on Google and search Amazon Seller Central Indian fees. So as you know, Amazon is in multiple nations, right? So we need to select India each and every time and click on the first link, Amazon Seller Fees and Pricing. So after this page is open, you can see there are multiple drop downs. So in pricing, click on type of fees. So here Amazon is showing you four boxes. First one is referral fees, sell on Amazon fees. So basically this is the referral fees Amazon is going to charge you. Start at 2%, varies based on product category. So each category Amazon charges you with different type of commission. Second one is closing fees, based on price of items sold. Start at rupees 5, varies by product price range. So Amazon charge you a closing fees which is a flat fees. So it start with 5 rupees and end with 56 rupees. So it varies by product's price range. So according to your price, Amazon will charge you closing fees. Third one is weight handling fees. So this is a shipping fees which Amazon charges us. Third one is other fees. For example, if you go with Amazon FBA, so handling charges, storage charges, and there are multiple charges in FBA which we will learn in our course later. So first we will scroll down. So understanding fulfillment option. As we already know, there are three type of Amazon shipment. First is FBA, which we are going to learn soon. Second one is easy ship, where Amazon courier partner will come to our office, pick up the product and deliver it. Third one is self ship, where we will go to our logistic partner and we will ship the product by ourselves and deliver the product. So if we scroll down, so here as you can check, there is fees charge. First one is referral fees. So as you can check, referral fees table, category, referral fees percentage. So there are multiple main category, and if you open, for example, if I open baby product, toy and education, so if you can check, so there are multiple subcategory and there are different type of commission rate. So for example, if we go in clothing and fashion, so first one is apparel accessories, 15% for product price selling is less or equal to 500 rupees. So if your product price is 500 rupees or less, Amazon is going to charge you 15% commission. If your product price is more than 500, then Amazon is going to charge you 15%. So in each subcategory, there are price variation commission charges. So make sure when you are adding your selling price, you just go through this table once, because for example, if a product is selling for 499, then it would be so Amazon will charge you 15%. But if you decided to keep your selling price at 501 rupee, 501 rupee, then by default your commission would be increased by 4%. So make sure your selling price, so you know how much Amazon is going to charge you when you keep your selling price. So if we scroll down, so if you can check apparel, sweat, t-shirts and jackets. So here Amazon is going to charge you in three different variation. First one is 8% if your selling price is less than 500 rupees, 15% if your selling price is between 500 to 1000 rupees, and 22.5% if your product selling price is more than 1000 rupees. Yes, 22.5% Amazon is going to charge you if your selling price is more than 1000 rupees. So this is one of the category. If we scroll down and if we go in kitchen, okay, so kitchen non-appliances, so 6% charges if your selling price is less than 300 rupees, 11.5% if your selling price is more than 300 rupees. If you are deciding to keep a selling price of 320 rupees, just because of 20 rupees your commission would be 11.5 rupees instead of 6%, just because of 20 rupees. So make sure you have a complete knowledge about this commission structure before finalizing your selling price. So if we go with home and decor, Okay, so for example, clock, it is 10%. So price can be anything. So where there is no price option given. So if you're selling for 1 rupee or for 1000 rupee, the flat charge would be 10%. In wall art, okay, for your selling price, if it is less than 300 rupees, Amazon will charge you 5%, and if it's more than 300 rupees, Amazon will charge you 13.5%. so make sure you're checking again and again before changing any selling price. Okay, so this is the selling price. First, referral fees. So there is a multiple option where you can go and check. Second one is closing fees based on price. So FBA we have to just skip for now. Second one is easy ship, and third one is self ship. So basically Amazon charges you more closing fees if you opt for self ship, and a bit lesser closing fees if you opt for easy ship. So first one is standard easy ship. So basically we are into standard easy ship. First one is if your selling price is between 0 to 250, your closing fees would be 3 rupees. If your selling price is between 251 to 500, your closing fees would be 6 rupees. If your selling price is between 500 to 1000, directly 5 times. Earlier it was 6 rupees, now it is directly 5 times, which is 30 rupees. If your selling price is more than 1000 rupees, so it is 56 rupees flat closing fees. Second one is easy ship prime only. So when we are going to start with our online journey, so within 1 month we are going to opt for prime tag and local shop. So by default we will be shifted from standard shipping fees to easy ship prime only. Okay, so here if you can check, the last two are same, between 500 to 1000 and 1000 plus, so 30 rupees and 56 rupees. But the first two, between 0 to 250, earlier was 3 rupees, now it is 8 rupees. And between 251 to 500, earlier was 6 rupees, now it is doubled to 12 rupees. So we have to make sure that this is the only one which the closing fees Amazon is going to charge you. So you can skip the first one, because for first month only it would be 6 and 3 rupees. After you apply for prime tag and local shop, it will shift to 8 rupees and 12 rupees. If you go to self ship, so 0 to 250 rupees, it is 7. Okay, between 250 to 500 it is 20 rupees. Between 500 to 1000 it is 36. If you know, in easy ship it is 30 rupees, here it is 36 rupees. Above 1000 it is 65 rupees, and in easy ship it is 56 rupees. So again around 9 rupees gap. Okay, so as I said, in self ship Amazon charge you a bit higher price for closing fees. So now we know Amazon charge you in referral fees. Second, we know Amazon charge you flat closing fees. Now the third one is logistic thing, shipping partner. Okay, logistic thing, and so the third one is logistic fees or shipping fees. So here if you go, Amazon will give you one option like easy ship, weight, handling fees, or shipping fees. Okay, so up to 500 grams, Amazon is going to charge you 44 rupees in local, means in your city. Up to 500 gram regional would be 53 rupees, that means in your state. And in national, in all over India, it would be 74 rupees. Each additional 500 grams up to 1 kg. For example, if your product weight is 700 grams, then you have to pay 44 rupees plus 13 rupees, which is 57 rupees for local. Again, add it over here, it would be 70 rupees for regional, and in national it would be 99 rupees. Okay, so up to 1 kg, your shipping all over nation would be 99 rupees. Each additional kg after 1 kg. For example, if your product weight is 3 kg, so how you can calculate that? So first 500 gram is 44 rupees, up to 1 kg is 13 rupees, right? So it is around 57 rupees. And now additional 2 kgs, so 21 plus 21, 41 rupees would be added. So you can calculate according to yourself. If your product is more heavy and it is in the range between 12 kg, 15 kg or 20 kg, okay, so for heavy and bulky item, Amazon charge you a complete different fees. Okay, so you have to skip this standard size, you have to start with bulky and heavy items. So for first 12 kg it is 192 for local, 277 for the state level regional, and for national it is 371. So for example, if you are selling fridge, washing machine or television or any machinery which is weighing more than 12 kgs, so you will come under heavy and bulky item. So as you learned today, there are three Amazon fees. First is the referral fees, when Amazon charges you the commission. Second one is the closing fees, where Amazon charges you the flat rupee. Third one is shipping fees. So shipping fees is optional. You can charge your customer shipping fees, but as you are new on Amazon, so I won't suggest you to add up a shipping fees. Later down, after 6 or 7 months, after you're getting a proper sale, you can obviously add with shipping charges. So you have to pay less fees to the Amazon, but for the start, for at least 6 months, please avoid adding shipping fees to your products. So after we know that what are the Amazon commission, of in the next video we will learn, if you are selling a product for 1000 rupees, exact how many rupees you are going to get in your payout. So first let's learn what is the Amazon paying cycle and what is the Amazon payout structure, right? So payment cycle we need to know. So here there is an option called payment cycle. So click on payment cycle. It starts with a code, Amazon sellers feedback. Unlike offline sales where we have to wait 40 to 45 days for payment, on Amazon we are paid after 7 days of sale. Okay, so according to the review, the Vijay seller is saying that after the sale we get payment in 7 days, but it is not true. The very next line, you are eligible to get paid for the order 7 days after the order is delivered. Yes, in the review it said 7 days after the sale, but no, it is 7 days after the order is delivered. So if you're getting an order in 1st of June, for example, if you get your order on 1st of January and it get delivered at around 6th of January. So after 6th of January, after 7 days, you will get your payout, that is 13th of January. So basically it is after 13 to 14 days of the delivery. It is around 13 to 14 days after you get your order. Okay. So I will just open a calendar. Okay. So for example, if you get your order on 1st of January, okay, so what happens is Amazon select one particular day for your payout. Okay, Amazon doesn't give payout every day or every alternate day. Each week there is one dedicated day which is allocated to you, for example Monday or Tuesday. So every Monday or Tuesday only you will get your payout. For example, we select Monday as our payout day, right? So for example, if you get your order on 1st of January, okay, and the product is delivered to the customer around 10th of January, so it can be far in Jammu Kashmir somewhere, so it took around 10 days. Okay, so according to Amazon's policy, after 7 days you will get your payout. So after 7 days, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in 17th, on 17th you might get your payout. But as I said, Amazon just select one day for your payout. So as your payout date is Monday and your 17th comes in Tuesday, so we have to wait another complete week and you will get your payout on 23rd, right? If your product would have been delivered on Sunday and your 7 day would be 15th, then by default the same product payout would have been generated on 16th. But you have to make sure, you have to keep on, you have to know your product is delivering on which day and this payout will be generated in which week's payout. So make sure you have a proper knowledge about each and every product which has been delivered or which you are processing, right? So today we learned about the commissions of Amazon and what is the payment cycle from Amazon, right? So in the next video we will learn, if you are selling a product for 1000 rupees or 500 rupees, what is the exact payout Amazon is going to charge you? What is the exact amount you are going to get in your bank? So please make sure you are noting down each and everything you are learning in your notebook or in your mobile. Okay, comment down below what all things you have learned, so it would be easier for me and my team to know whether you are going on a right track. If a new student come in this lesson, so he will be able to know what all things they are going to learn, right? So make sure you comment down below without any fail.